Welcome back to my channel. This is Plant Lifestyles. I'm going to teach you something different today. I have this prekese with me, and then I have the cinnamon bark. In fact, I'm going to combine these two powerful plants and speak about it. Yes, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If there is anything you don't understand, just comment. Give a comment in the comment section, and then I'm going to read and answer you. Yes, in fact, let me say there are a lot to be taught on this channel. So if you have not subscribed, just subscribe to the channel, and then you are going to be fine. A lot of medicines are taught on this channel. A lot of plants, a lot of roots, a lot of fruits, and even stems and leaves are being taught on this channel. Yes, today is a special day too. I'm going to combine two different plants and then teach you the benefits. Yes, I told you that prekese is good for spiritual and physical. In the same way, cinnamon is also good physical and spiritual. So what is the combination doing today in my hands? The reason I'm combining them, I want to speak on the spiritual benefit, and then I come to the physical benefit. I mostly speak on the spiritual benefit because for the physical benefit, they are mostly available online. Wherever you go, you get to see the benefit of cinnamon. If you type the benefit of cinnamon, you see a lot, and then prekese, you see a lot. Yeah, but what I'm going to speak is the spiritual aspect, and I give you some physical treatment or health benefit of these two things. One, these separate plants are spiritually powerful. Cinnamons are used to boost business, they are used to boost positivity, and then they are bring positive energy to oneself, eliminate any spiritual forces. We burn this to eliminate negative energy in our house. Yes, we burn cinnamon to eliminate negative energy in our house. Once again, cinnamon is also powerful in treating spiritual marriages and all those kind of things. And then this is how we are going to do. You just get a cinnamon stick like this, get your coal pot ready, charcoal, fill it with charcoal, and then set your fire up. Once you set your fire up, what we are going to do is we are going to drop a cinnamon stick in it to burn. We are going to do this from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, that time interval, where everyone is in his or her room, where they are not going to sense the smoke and then be shouting at you that you are making a lot of smoke in the environment or the compound. Yes, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to also combine this. I'm speaking on this alone, and then combine the benefit, and that is the spiritual benefit combined. This prekese too is used to drive away demons, spiritual attacks, a lot of things in our house. Guess what? Sometimes if you sleep, you'll be getting some kind of freeze in your body. You can't wake up. You see that something is attacking you, but you can't wake up. In my language, we call it minting, and I friend minting. Sa adena a bit shown. Let him come back to my English because this one is worldwide. Yes, I have the pre-version launch. That is the pre-version of Plant Lifestyles. If you search for Valves TV, that is where I'm teaching the tree version of this. So if you don't understand English, or you don't get me well, and you're in Ghana and you want to get the tree version, you can search for Valves TV, and there I've launched the English, the tree version of these teachings, where you can benefit much, and then you get a lot of things from there. Yes, so let's continue on. This is also powerful. If you sleep and you feel that some spirit has attacked you and you can't wake up, you can't even shake your body, you can't even shout. Sometimes you want to shout Jesus, but you can't. The word is not coming. It's not that you're a sinner or what. Sometimes it's like it's real life. It's real life. Sometimes you can't shout. You can't even shout for help. You see that it is something. It's called a trance or what. Either you are asleep or you are not asleep. Something comes like that. If you mostly experience those kind of things, make sure to cleanse your area, cleanse your room, cleanse your environment, because spiritual stroke is attacking you. I'm telling you, there are a lot of stroke that nowadays our young ladies and our young brothers are getting, which are not physical. Yes, but sometimes people don't believe. Me myself, I believe in such things, so I just make sure I go into details or move into that angle to protect myself against all those kind of things. Prayers is very good. When you pray is good, but sometimes there are things that are not entertained by spiritual forces. That is why the Lord gave us all kind of fruit and what plants. The plants are used in the same way. Elijah, when the river was something which was poisonous, spiritually poisonous, physically poisonous, what did he do? He used salt and earthware bowl to perform some rituals. If it is in our days, we say that that pastor or that prophet is not from God. In the same way, our Lord Jesus Christ used sand. You see, that is from the ground, and then saliva to open someone's eyes. If it is today, they will say that that pastor is fake. There are some things that are not entertained by some kind of sickness and some evil spirit causing that. You see, so if you know that that kind of sickness or that kind of attack comes on you when you sleep, you just get this and then you put it in a fire of coal pot. Just let the smoke circulate through your environment, your room. You can send it there for just 1 minute for some of the smoke to stand or to get circulated in the room, and then you can bring it out. It can move around with the smoke in your environment to cleanse your area, remove negative energies from your environment. Yes. So after you've done this, are you going to do this once and then for all? No. Even prayers, Jesus told us to pray without ceasing. After you are done, you can do this every 1 month. Yes. You see the difference between prayers and then performing this. I'm not going to tell you that perform this every day. Yes, prayers, you pray every day. But when you are going to perform this kind of rituals, you are going to just perform it once a month. And then you are going to keep the cinnamon sticks under your pillow or on your table in your room. You are going to keep the prekese there. You can just keep it there. Just keep it there. Sometimes the scent alone that's coming out from these two things is enough to make some spirit departure from you. They don't like some kind of scent and some kind of things present. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, give a lot of comment questions you don't understand. I'll explain. Yes, you can request for these things. If you don't have, you can order from anywhere you want to order from. But if you don't find some in your country, if you don't find some at where you are, you can just order from me and I'll ship or deliver to you everywhere you are. This is what is keeping most of our African traditionalists powerful. It's not that they have a certain supernatural. No, it's these leaves and herbs that they are using to perform some things that is making them seem to be powerful. Yes, and leaves are very powerful, herbs are very powerful, and then fruits are very powerful. They are what keeps us. We depend solely on plants. That is why I named the channel Plant Lifestyles, because anything that plants does, we depend wholly on them. But for them, they depend just a few percentage of our activity. Yes, without them, we can't live. Though without us, it will take time for them to vanish from. Even without us, I think they will. Yeah, other animals will provide them, so plants will live. But without any plant, the animals that I'm talking about can live, and human beings can live. So plants are very important. Share the video to people. Let them combine both ingredients. When you combine both ingredients, very powerful. Very, very, very powerful. You can blend them together to achieve the benefit in both. You can this thing, you can just put it in your coal pot, on your coal pot in the fire. Just sit on the fire, or not on the fire. Please don't sit on the fire. Sit beside the fire. If you don't know and sit on the fire, don't sit on the fire. Warning. Sit closer to the fire. As the smoke is going, you sense the smoke. Make your prayer requests, things that are difficult in life, people, their marriage problems, their work problems, they need promotion, they need favor, they need love, they are not finding. Even though when they find the right one, the evil one will pollute it and then they will depart. So do this and you will thank me later. Once again, these plants are very important in our body system, our circulatory system, our that is the skeletal system, and then the nervous system. It works much. Treats a lot of disorders. Cleanse your pancreas. If you take a decoction of the mixture, your pancreas cleanse, your liver is cleansed. Some diseases that attack your liver, your stomach, you are out of it. So just drink the tea and get the benefit. I told you I'm not going to talk about the much physical benefit or the health benefit, but the spiritual one. Yes. So just burn it for the smoke to do its works in your environment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.